Hi, I'm Molly.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Quinn.
Welcome to the Mbeat broadcast
for the week of March 26th.
This week on the broadcast, teacher semester plans. With the recent outbreak of COVID-19, all schools had to close down until further notice. Because of this, the teachers have had to come up with creative ways to bring their classrooms online.
My semester goals are to cover as much of my curriculum as I can for you to get the same amount of material that we would have gotten being in class.
Try and find maybe some new and unique ways to create some of like the fun classroom environment that we had throughout the year in just new ways that maybe I haven't explored before, and just kind of keep everyone, all of my students, like in contact with one another in different ways. So,
not gonna lie, is creating a lot of work.
Yeah.
For me, I probably spent about 10 hours over the weekend getting my stuff ready for this week, and it's not even all done.
I'm preparing the lesson, and then a lot of times I'm preparing stuff to put online, like maybe making a recording. So sometimes it's double or triple the amount of time. I always thought, oh, this would be a piece of cake. I could just stay home, but I miss being able to like point at their paper, like here's where you went wrong.
Yeah. It's hard to kind of have that like work-life balance sometimes.
I have been finding videos that correspond to our material and then editing the videos to add my own questions.
Make sure that you try and find some balance in your life. Try not to read too much about what's going on in the world, and stick to a schedule, like do things for yourself each day.
There's still like a lot of little moments of joy and beauty all around you, so to really focus on that. I really miss being at school.
Surprise house visits.
Good morning, ladies. Today's the first day of e-learning, and I am very excited about it. My job as principal is to make sure that learning is going on in every classroom. So I'm stopping by a few houses in the next few weeks just to make sure e-learning is going on. Okay, ladies, I'm at the Sully house. I'm checking on Ryan and Colleen to see if they're e-learning today. Today's the first day of virtual Marian.
Colleen and Ryan Sully, please report to the top of your stairway. This is your principal, Mrs. Sullivan, doing an e-learning emergency check. Don't come 6 feet near us. Stay up there.
I'll stay up here.
My niece, Libby Pallison, gave me the idea. She, when I sent out that first note to students and said, I'm going to plan some fun videos, I talked to her on the phone and she said, you should go to students' houses. And I thought, wow, that's a great idea. All the parents who are throwing their daughters under the bus saying, come visit them, come to my house. She would have been busted, was one comment I saw. So I did not expect that. Parents were all over it. I could show up anywhere, so get ready.
Entertainment at home. Something to do while you are quarantined in your house is to bake some tasty treats or even muffins. Baking provides stress relief and gets your mind off what is going on around you, and can also be used as a source of meditation.
Stay safe and at home.
At this time, it is very important to stay inside your home during this unsure time for the safety of yourself and others. Another important aspect of staying safe is to limit social interaction through social distancing with others outside of your immediate family. Also be sure to use products like Kleenex, wet wipes, and to wash your hands regularly. Some tips for having fun while at home and practicing good social distancing are to play board games with your family, catch up on your favorite shows, and to read to keep your brain active. But most importantly, make sure you are staying safe and healthy.
Thanks for watching.
Rosie, can you wait a minute? My daughter's playing the piano. I really miss being at school.